medical affairs has always been a key service line for us, and consistently we have had a lot of work in this area. In the early days we did a lot of the work that one might imagine on operating models, processes, governance, capability frameworks. We then went on and we did a substantial amount of work with a lot of clients in terms of KPIs, and I think it's fair to say that we were a market leader in that area. More recently we've been focusing on the patient centricity agenda. We've done a lot of work in that area. We run patient-centric fora twice a year, both in the US and Europe, and we also do a lot of work on the patient insights agenda at the moment. So those things are quite exciting. What we do today will not be the same as what we do in 2 or 3 years' time, but very exciting looking forward. So we have a strong Med Affairs team. We've been very fortunate that we've done a lot of projects in this area and we've had a lot of continuity. So we have had people who came in as analysts and have over the years built up Med Affairs capability and experience. We've worked together as a team, so we've built not only the content knowledge and the capability, but also the team aspect. Very strong team at all levels in this area.
Well, I think it's a great team to work with, and what I think we do really well is bringing our different perspectives based on our varied experience, combining these with our clients' skills to really work in partnership and help address some of the big issues and challenges that they face.
Part of the thing that I think I really enjoy about the job is working in different areas. I've done projects recently in clinical operations, doing one related to R&D operations at the moment. So I actually like the diversity that we still have in the work as well as the people that I work with.
It feels great to be a part of the medical affairs service line. Personally, I get to learn a lot as there are a lot of individuals who have done some great and diverse work in this area. We have representation from all geographies across all roles. This is the main reason for the success of the service line.
During the past working year, we've continued to help our clients with some of their fundamental capabilities and helping them to build those aspects such as evidence generation, strategic planning and performance management. One of the exciting things that we've been doing, helping clients with the evolving patient insights landscape. These insights can be generated from traditional or more non-traditional channels such as social media and electronic health records. And what we're finding is there's a real need not just on the technical side, but also the facilitation and coordination of deriving meaning from these insights and helping companies to make decisions and take actions off the back of them.
The area I've enjoyed most in the past year has been our increasing focus in the patient centricity space. We're looking to help companies think about and shape the way that they organise, move their operating models to put the patient more at the centre of what they do. So the work we've done in organising the forums around that, and also we're starting to do project work in the area, and I've particularly enjoyed those engagements and I'm still doing that at the moment.
I think Kinaps is a fantastic company. It feels like a family where you're given the opportunity to learn and grow.
Despite being spread across the globe, it's a really close-knit team. So it means that you can learn from others' experiences on similar projects or with similar clients.
I would say the people and the variety of the work. But we do have a good cross-section of work and we do some really interesting projects, and some of those I think make a real difference and have a strong impact for our clients. And later on, how you can see how they've made a difference with those clients as well, so that's particularly rewarding.
I've never worked for a company that has quite lived its values like Kinaps does. Every day you see those borne out in the way that people act, in the way that people think, in the way that people really deliver to clients in a way that I haven't seen in any other company.
So Med Affairs, looking forward, I think medical affairs takes a more prominent role. Over the last few years, people looked at Med Affairs and were looking at what is the return on investment, what's the value. I think the question moving forward is possibly how does medical affairs contribute strategically to the patient-centric agenda, to the real-world evidence agenda. I think there's a real opportunity for medical affairs moving forward in being a function that brings all stakeholders together, internal and external, understands all of those stakeholders and contributes meaningfully to the overall strategy for a product and for an organisation.